Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Chandrakant. I am pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateswara Engineering College, Bangalore. Let's move on to the video. Subject is statistics for managers. My topic is hypothesis testing one sample tests. Hypothesis testing one sample test. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine if a claim or hypothesis about a parameter is likely to be true. This series will cover the key steps and consideration for conducting one sample Z-test and T-tests. One sample Z-test assumptions. The population standard deviation is known and sample size is large n greater than 30. T-test statistics. Calculate the Z-score using sample mean, hypothesized population mean and known population standard deviation. P-value. Determine the p-value by comparing the test statistics to the normal distribution. One sample t-test. Assumptions. The population standard deviation is known and the sample size can be small, n greater than or equal to 3. Test statistic. Calculate the t-statistic using the sample mean, hypothesized population mean and simple standard deviation. P-value. Determine the p-value by comparing the test statistics to the t-distribution with n-1 degree of freedom. Assumption and requirements. Normality. The sample data should follow a normal distribution. Independence. The observation in the sample should be independent of each other. Sample size. The sample size should be large and to provide sufficient statistical power. Hypothesis formulation. Null hypothesis HO. The hypothesis that the population parameter is equal to the specific value. Alternative hypothesis H1. The hypothesis that the population parameter is different from the specified value. One-tailed versus two-tailed. The direction of the alternative hypothesis determine whether the test is one-tailed or two-tailed. Test statistics and p-value calculation. Calculate test statistic. Compute the Z-score or t-statistics based on the sample data and hypothesized parameter. Determine p-value. Find the probability of obtaining the test statistic or a more extreme value under null hypothesis. Interpret result. Compare the p-value to the chosen significance level to make a decision about the hypothesis. Interpretation of results. Statistically significant. If the p-value is less than the significance level, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude the population parameter is different from hypothesized value. Not significantly significant. Not statistically significant. The If the p-value is greater than the significant level, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and conclude there is not encourage evidence to say the population parameter is different. Effect size. In addition to statistical significance, it is important to consider the particular or meaningful difference in the population parameter. Conclusion and parametrical implications. Insights. Hypothesis testing provide valuable insights about a population parameter that can inform decision making. Applications. One sample tests are widely used in significance, scientific research, quality control, and many other fields. Feature analysis. The result of one sample test can lead to additional statistical analysis and investigations. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.